The Tecno Pova 7 Pro is a feature-packed smartphone that aims to deliver high-end performance at a budget-friendly price, making it a solid choice for gamers, media lovers, and power users alike. Sporting a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and impressive brightness levels, the device promises a vibrant and immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing mobile games. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7080 chipset, a capable mid-range processor built on a 6nm architecture, paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM. The generous 256GB of internal storage ensures that users have plenty of space for apps, photos, and games, and there's also virtual RAM support for even smoother multitasking. In terms of photography, the Tecno Pova 7 Pro is equipped with a dual rear camera setup, led by a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, which together offer solid performance for everyday photography and video recording, supporting up to 1440p video resolution. On the front, the device features a sharp 32MP selfie camera that's ideal for video calls and high-resolution selfies, further enhanced by HDR support. One of the standout features of the phone is its massive 6000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get through a full day of heavy usage. It also supports 70W fast charging, allowing the battery to go from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes and reach 100% in about 50 minutes, a significant convenience for users always on the go. The device runs on the latest Android 15 operating system, offering up-to-date software features, improved security, and access to the latest apps and services. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, NFC support, and full 5G connectivity, ensuring the device is future-proof for modern mobile networks. With an expected retail price of around $250, the Tecno Pova 7 Pro offers exceptional value for money by packing flagship-level specs into a mid-range device.